Hey everyone, Siddharth here from What the Heck. In this video, we will be looking at the JBL Flip 4 speaker. This speaker came out a couple of years ago, and even today is still a good speaker. And this speaker comes in a lot of different colors usually, and usually goes for around like 70 to 80 bucks, 70 to 80 US dollars. But you can easily find deals on these things, which bring down the cost by 10 to $15. So let's get started and see what we got in the box. Um, it offers 12 hours of playtime, and from what I've heard and read online, the battery does perform really well compared to its claimed 12 hours. With 50% volume, we can easily get 12 hours. With full volume, it's another story. You would probably get around like 4 hours of music playback at 100% volume. Um, The Flip 4 has IPX7 rating, which means you can submerge it completely underwater up to 1 meter and or 3.3 feet or for up to 30 minutes. Although you can submerge it underwater, the speaker does not float, so which makes it really difficult to take it out of water in case you drop it in a pool or lake. The JBL does come with the JBL Connect Plus feature, which allows you to connect it to the speaker to more than 100 other JBL speakers which have the JBL Connect Plus feature. It's perfect if you have a large living room or a large space where you need to use these speakers. It does have a speakerphone as well, as you can see here. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. It has a nice and convenient this pull tab, which makes the opening of the box a little easier. But as you can see, there's a seal here. So let's cut the seal and then. This is magnets to keep this front closed, and um, as you can see from the outside and the inside of the box, it has the usual orange black combination that JBL usually goes with. Um, the first thing we have in the box looks like instruction manuals. It has a foam layer on it, which I like. Let's keep this on the side and see what else we have in the box. So the next thing is the JBL Flip 4 speaker. It's a little hard to get it out. We'll get back to this once we see what else is in the box. As you can see, it has foam layers all around it. It definitely makes it a little more resistant to drops and kicks during the shipping process. On the top, it looks like what might be the charging cable. So this is the micro USB charging cable that you can use to charge this. So let's get back to the speaker. The speaker feels really well built. It has a decent weight to it. It doesn't feel light at all, but again, it's not a heavy also. It has a nice fabric around it, which almost covers it completely, apart from the back, which might make you think that it gives sound from all the direction. It has like 360-degree sound, but I don't think it does that. We'll be testing that shortly. On the back we have the power. On the back we have the power button and the JBL Connect Plus button. We also have 5 LEDs, which LED indicators, which tell us the percentage of age of the battery remaining. Um, right now it's 2 out of 3. So once you press this button, it tells you the status of the battery. Um, so underneath the flap, we have the aux port and the micro USB charging port. As I've said in my other video, they should have used a USB-C port to make it more future-proof. It's just a little annoying to carry an extra cable around just for this. Make sure this flap is closed completely before using it anywhere near water, as it may affect the waterproof thing effect when this is open. Um, on the side we have four buttons. The first one is the Bluetooth button, which is used to pair it to your device, your phone. Uh, then we have the volume rockers here and the play and pause button. So let's pair this up with my phone and play some songs on it to test the sound quality. So as you can see, this is blinking in blue light. So I think that means that it is ready for pairing, and it shows up in my iPhone. I can click on this and it will connect to the speaker. So as you can see, as you can hear from the sound, it is connected now and I can start. So let's play some songs on this to test the sound quality. It's just a lover, yeah. Na 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 na, ooh na na na. Enrique and baby Serena. Why wake to 6 a.m. Don't you need somebody? Baby, I wanna know to keep you up all night. Baby, I'm at your door. Don't you need somebody? When I'm knocking up. Yeah. I know this may not be the right representation of the sound quality of the speaker because what you hear depends on the mic quality of my recording device and also the speakers that you're using. But still, I'm just putting it in the review if in case it helps. So, so from what I hear, I think there are like two different speakers, one here and one here, and there's like no speakers on the sides. Uh, so although it does look like it would be outputting sound from all around this area, it really doesn't. It just outputs from this and this part, from the top and the bottom of the speaker. So here are the few things that I like about this speaker. The first thing is they are waterproof. Um, the second thing is that you can connect it to multiple JBL compatible speakers. It comes with JBL Connect Plus, which makes it future proof. You know, you can any new JBL speaker that comes with the JBL Connect Plus feature, you can connect the speaker to that. The third thing I like about this speaker is the sound quality. Considering its price, it's definitely one of the best speakers out there right now. It may change in the future, but right now it's still a really good speaker at the price point. So the things I don't like about the speaker. The first thing, and it's really bothers me, is the first thing that I really don't like about the speaker is it doesn't float in water, which would make it really hard to get out of water in case you drop it. Uh, the second thing is that it comes with a micro USB charging and not the USB-C charging. And the third thing that I don't like about the speaker is it doesn't have 360 degrees surround sound. The third thing that this may not be a problem if you're placing it around the corner in the room, but if you place it in the center of the room, you would notice the difference. Uh, so overall, I would definitely recommend this speaker. It's a good, really good speaker at the price. And thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. And also comment if you have any questions or feedback related to this product.